My name is Kajol from IBM QRadar team, and in this video I will discuss how to add domains in QRadar. In IBM QRadar, domain is the logical group of entities such as event collectors, log sources, flow collectors that is used to segment data. In simpler terms, domain in QRadar is way to group the data sources and users based on their roles and department. It helps control who can see which data, ensuring that only the right people have access to specific logs and alert. This approach enhances security, organization, and management in large companies. Let us log in to IBM QRadar SIM and see how to add the domain. First, let us navigate to the Admin tab, and under System Configuration section, you will find the Domain Management icon. Click on it to launch the tool. Within the domain management, you have the option to add the new domain, edit the existing domain, and delete the domains, and also to assign tenants to the created domain. As you can see, we have already created domain 2. Now let us proceed with adding new domain to the QRadar. Click on Add. In the name, provide the unique name, for example domain 1. Now here domain can be mapped to the events, flows, and the scanners. In flow sources, it can be further mapped to flow collector, flow sources, and flow VLAN IDs. And for the scanners, it can be mapped to the scanners in the deployment. In this example, we will focus on adding domain using event sources. Event sources that can be mapped include event collectors, log sources, log source group, and custom event properties. We assume that appropriate log source group, log sources, and event collector have added and been created for adding into the domain. For this demonstration, we will select the log source group named as log source group domain 1. Click on Add to add the log source group. Next, we can add the event collector with the ID 103 as the source for our new domain. Click on Add. Now you can click on the Create button. At the last, the domain is created. You can see that the domain 1 has been created and added into the deployment. Thank you for joining us. If you need more assistance, use the link in the description.